guys, it's your girl Cassia Dominique, and I am back with another video. Kind of looking, you know, crazy or whatever. It's my day off, so I've been relaxing. But let's get to this video. I am going to be building a flower wall. I got the idea from my sister. So I got some flowers. These ones are peach, if you could tell, peach. These ones are different shades of blue. There you go. And these ones are pink with some white. See. So I picked all these random colors because I have this elephant painting right above my bed, as you can see right there. Why can't I zoom? There we go. But the painting has all those different colors. And then I also have my other paintings that have orange. I have my graduation cap. But yeah, and then yellow. So that is why I am doing all of these colors. Zoom back out. Ooh, that's new. Okay. So, y'all know Bryce. I think you've been on my, yeah, I pranked Bryce on my regular channel. So, y'all know Bryce. He's assisting me because, yeah, just because. All of this came from Amazon. These 3 boxes of flowers, plus the, how many pieces of grass? I want to say I got 8 pieces of grass.
Okay.
And they're 20 by 20. The measurement's 20 by 20. And I paid about $115 for everything. The boxes of flowers each have 25 pieces in them. Yep, 25 pieces. So, about to get started. Bryce is doing something. He's breaking something. The doorbell fire alarm thing. Yeah, why he's breaking that, I don't know.
It's just for the doorbell. Like,
what?
We really don't need this.
He's breaking it.
You want to cue us up, Jessica? We really don't.
I don't know. That don't look safe. All them wires.
It's a speaker wire.
I don't know if they could see that.
It's a speaker, but it is some power in it. But I mean, it's really just a doorbell.
Look up, Marlon. Say cheese. All right, let's get it cracking. What we gotta do?
I'll just leave this alone. Oh, okay, I'm gonna move it down for a second. So
right.
First, what we're gonna do is start off right by putting some hooks up. One's in.
Step number 1, he's gonna put hooks up.
And you said you went right here, right?
Yeah, right where the door starts.
Okay. Right here where the door starts. Oh shit!
What?
Niggas just died just now. Okay. Grass with the hooks. Let's get it. Okay. And can you hand me another hook over there?
No hook. Over here? You sure?
I'll put it in my pocket. What's under there?
Under what?
What? What just happened to the hooks that fast?
And that fast, he lost the second hook.
It was moved. Where did it move to, Dominic?
I didn't touch it.
I'm already perfect right there and flush.
I'll move over some.
I know, but tell me from a distance. Tell me from a distance if it's like.
You know I can't see. Where are my glasses?
On the dresser, right? Oh, those ain't it. Those is window shopper or those.
Not these glasses, my guy. So, the reason I haven't showed you guys my room like a full tour is because it's not 100% done yet. I kind of was waiting to be able to do my flower wall. I still have to find a comforter set that matches my colors that I want to do. And I still have to find a rug. But I promise I'm almost done. Promise. Put my granny glasses on so I can see.
Is that cool? You want to look at that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna need you to come in the hammer for me. Let me know. Yo, you're wild. We don't play with tools around here.
Why your face so ugly? Why you ain't do it over something?
You wanted it right there, that close?
I mean, you gotta put them side by side.
I don't think they both gonna be. I don't think all of them gonna fit like that. So
Well, how else we gonna do it?
one all the way down.
No, that's not gonna work.
The side by side ain't gonna work either. You got 20 by 20. I know you trying to do two.
Yes, because that looks dumb with just one. What do you mean? Like, it's gonna have to. Hold that right there.
Why don't you just diagonal like that?
That's on the flower wall.
You gonna have to cut it. Oh, you gonna have to cut it on.
Or overlap them.
Yeah.
That's not
Gonna work.
Yeah.
Look.
Give me that.
Look, it's still not gonna.
Hello, Callie.
You're not gonna cut it down. You got a box cutter? All right, good. It's gonna look way bulky.
Yeah, it do, but I'm just saying, you saying it's not gonna work. It has to work. I'm not doing one all the way down.
That's fine. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Okay. Look, because I don't want her holding it down.
That might. Why don't you like the hooks?
Because you up on them right now. Because the hooks don't. They just holes.
What do you mean?
Where you see the hooks
What's
at?
wrong with them? Right here.
Ain't nothing wrong with them. I just use this part.
Right. Why is what I'm asking.
I just like using that part.
Oh shit. Something.
You know? Just see the hooks is mad complicated. You can just hook on. You
I
gotta.
couldn't find that piece. The silver pieces.
So you use the hook?
No.
I hate you. All that grief. Here we go. Alright, so you gotta tell me for straight though. Matter of fact, I got a thing in my pocket. No, I don't.
This right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna level it. That is it. It won't level.
Alright, so I'm gonna come back in when we have some more pieces up. Okay? Bye bye. Zip tying the pieces together. The zip ties also came with the grass. I feel like you should have did it in the back though.
I know I'm about to try to.
Because now that's sticking out. But that's like poking out right there.
Cut that down there.
Or you could put the screw like you said. Ignore my mattress. My sheets are in the washer. We are cutting the grass down because obviously both pieces won't fit side by side because they are 20/20. So we cut it, we measured it, and it was what, 15?
Yeah, 15.
So Bryce marked it with a permanent marker. I don't think you guys can see the mark. And he's cutting right on that mark. So we're gonna see if it works. Voila. Was you off?
Nope.
You annoying.
Never off. I'm always on.
So we still got down there that's open, but obviously we cut for that too. So far I've only used 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're gonna cut these 4. And we'll be back. Almost done. Get a little spot for my light switch and my fan switch. A little spot for the plug. I am gonna run out, I believe.
So we're gonna cut a little bit more off.
Scissors right here because I still got a big gap down here, kind of.
Yeah,
It's just a long gap, and I only got 2 pieces like this left that I cut. So Gotta add the flowers though, so stay tuned. I got hiccups. So here is the final look. The holes you see are for the light switch and a plug. I see myself ordering more flowers to fill it in, but it looks pretty good. It matches my paintings. I think I'm gonna get some orange and yellow flowers. Oh, look, the flowers look so real, low key, and they high key not. I do real bad, so I'm gonna end this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment below and let me know what other color I should add in here to match my painting. Go ahead and hit that red button to subscribe. Bye guys.